Math class series, which is an intensive course designed specifically for exam preparation and grade improvement. We have been running classes in London since 2018 and had great results so far. 88% of our past students improved their final grades by at least one band from predicted results. That is, going from a grade C to B or above, or going from grade B to A or A star. This course is ideal for Year 13 students who are looking for a consolidated and comprehensive course for their exam preparation, or for Year 12 students who would like to study ahead and get exam ready early on. Even if you're in the last year of GCSE and want to challenge yourself, this course could work for you too. Let's now take a look at the A-level math syllabus together. The first exam under the new specification took place in 2018. Different from before, where students had some flexibility to choose between models listed on the left-hand side of the slides, now 100% of the examinable content is fixed by the Department of Education and is uniform across all exam board. That's why this course can be used by students under any exam board, as the underlying material is the same, and we source past questions from all exam boards to make sure you see ample practice. Under the new specification, pure math topics make up 2/3 of the final exam weight, with the remaining 1/3 going into applied math content that is evenly split between statistics and mechanics topics. So in total, statistics topics make up roughly 17% of the final exam weight, and that is a primary focus of this course. Majority of exam board requires students to sit 3 papers for their A-level math qualification. If you're with Edexcel, then paper 1 and 2 are 100% dedicated to pure math content, with paper 3 split in half between statistics and mechanics topics. If you're with AQA or OCR, then paper 1 will be dedicated to pure math content, and paper 2 and 3 will be evenly split between pure math and one applied math subject. Regardless of the different paper setup, the underlying material are identical across all exam boards. In this course, we're going to cover all of the statistical topic under A-level math syllabus. As you can see on the slides, we'll start off looking at statistical sampling methods, including the random and non-random sampling. We'll also look at different measures of my dataset that tell me about the characteristic of the dataset or the underlying population I'm interested in. In the second lecture, we'll also look at correlation, which measures the linear relationship between 2 variables. We know that 2 variables don't necessarily follow a linear relationship. They can have an exponential relationship as well. So here we also look at linear and exponential regression. In the third and fourth lecture, we'll look at probability distribution. In the first lecture, we'll look at discrete probability distribution, including discrete uniform distribution and binomial distribution. In the second lecture, we'll look at normal probability distribution and why a continuous probability distribution is different from a discrete one. In the fifth lecture, we'll look at hypothesis testing, how to conduct one, and what can we use it to test for. Lastly, in the probability lecture, we'll look at how we can find probability using a Venn diagram and what is conditional probability. There is a lot of materials in this course. How can you utilize them all? Well, for each topic, you'll be given these 4 items. The class video is presented in a similar way as the traditional classroom teaching, whereby I would walk you through any new concepts or topics. We'll also showcase how to do some examples together. Then you will be given classroom exercises, whereby I would ask you to pause the video, make an attempt at the questions yourself, and then resume the video for us to continue together. For each class video, it has a corresponding handouts which contains all of the things we discussed in class. We all know that learning doesn't just stop after the class. So for each topic, you will be given homework that contains 4 exam-style questions and the corresponding mark scheme. It is important that you try the homework without the help of the notes. That way, it will help you identify any knowledge gap. There are other resources and support beyond the content of this course. If you have any question, feel free to post it on the Udemy Q&A session. We also have a YouTube channel whereby we regularly post tutorial videos by topic or past exam paper walkthrough, so definitely check it out if you're interested. We also have a Facebook page or a contact email, so drop us a line if you want to get in touch. Now, if you're ready, let's get started with A-Level Applied Math Statistics.